Relax and take a gentle breath in. Feel your body begin to soften. Notice how your chest rises and falls naturally. Allow the weight of your body to settle. Let your shoulders drop and release tension. Breathe in calm, exhale any worry. Focus on the sound of your breath. Visualize a wave of relaxation washing over you. Feel your jaw relax and your forehead soften. Let go of the need to hold on to any thoughts. Picture yourself surrounded by a soothing light. Inhale deeply, letting your chest expand. Exhale slowly, feeling your body ease further. Notice the stillness of this moment. Let the stillness grow within you. Focus on your breath as it flows naturally. Feel your feet grounded and connected. Relax your hands, letting them rest gently. Notice the gentle rhythm of your breathing. Let yourself feel completely supported. Breathe in strength and exhale peace. Imagine yourself in a serene environment. Feel the peace and beauty of this space. Let the tranquility surround and soothe you. Exhale tension and inhale calm. Visualize a calm flowing river within you. Allow your thoughts to float like clouds in the sky. Rest in the stillness of this moment. Feel a deep sense of gratitude emerge. Let yourself feel light and at ease. Release any tension in your face and neck. Notice how relaxed your shoulders feel. Breathe deeply and let your body rest. Feel your breath guide you into calm. Focus on the present and let go of the past. Let each exhale carry away tension. Breathe in harmony, exhale stillness. Picture yourself surrounded by peace. Let your body feel completely weightless. Feel the calm energy flowing through you. Let your heart feel open and light. Notice how the breath fills you with ease. Breathe out anything that no longer serves you. Focus on the rhythm of your body and mind. Feel the serenity of this moment. Allow yourself to feel deeply calm. Let your thoughts flow effortlessly. Embrace the gentle rhythm of your breath. Let peace surround your entire being. Notice how calm you feel in this moment. Feel the warmth of your breath as it flows. Exhale gently, releasing all tension. Rest in this peaceful state. Feel your body relax deeply. Let go and enjoy the present. Visualize a tranquil sky above you. Let your breath feel light and gentle. Breathe in calm, exhale relaxation. Notice the peace within you. Let yourself rest completely. Focus on the stillness within you. Feel your breath slow and steady. Let your body float in calm. Notice the softness in your breathing. Exhale gently and let go. Feel the serenity of the moment. Embrace the stillness around you. Let the calm fill your body. Allow your breath to anchor you. Feel completely grounded. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Let your heart feel light and free. Notice the quiet of your mind. Breathe in stillness, exhale peace. Relax your entire body completely. Feel the calm energy surrounding you. Let your breath bring you peace. Feel your body sink deeper into relaxation. Focus only on the present. Breathe gently, releasing all tension. Embrace the lightness of being. Feel the harmony within you. Inhale deeply, feeling calm wash over you. Let go of any remaining stress. Feel peace surrounding your being. Focus on this gentle moment. Breathe softly, exhaling any tension. Allow yourself to just be. Feel calm radiate through you. Notice the tranquility within. Let your mind feel at ease. Breathe in lightness, exhale fully. Feel gratitude in this moment. Let serenity flow through you. Breathe gently, feeling lighter. Rest in this peaceful state. Feel your breath bring stillness. Let the moment guide you. Focus on the simplicity of your breath. Breathe softly and calmly. Let yourself feel completely present. Feel deeply relaxed in this space. Exhale any lingering worries. Feel the lightness of your being. Breathe in clarity. Exhale softly. Let each breath bring you peace. Notice how serene you feel now. Feel the harmony within your breath. Focus on the ease of each exhale. Let your body rest in stillness. Breathe deeply and gently. Feel connected to the present moment. Let calmness fill your entire being. Notice the beauty of your breath. Rest in the simplicity of stillness. Let your heart feel light and free. Breathe in peace, exhale tension. Feel the clarity of the present. Embrace the serenity around you. Carry this calm into your day.